But you might be surprised by some of the weird and wonderful combinations Domino's has to offer. So here are 25 digestible facts about Domino's. And coming in at number 1 is the chain was originally called Dominick's after the founder Tom Monahan and his brother purchased the already existing pizza shop in 1960 in Ypsilanti, Michigan. Their first store was opened on December 9, 1960. And coming in at number 2 is in 1965, Monahan opened 3 pizzerias, and the name was changed to Domino's Pizza, as the original owner said Dominick's wasn't allowed to be used anymore for the expanding business. And coming in at number 3 is Domino's has around 17,000 stores across 90 countries, with around 100,000 delivery drivers and a total of more than 350,000 employees. And coming in at number 4 is across the globe, on average, 3 million pizzas are sold at Domino's every day. And coming in at number 5 is in 1992 Domino's offered its first national non-pizza item, breadsticks. And coming in at number 6 is in March 2009. A glitch in code meant that around 11,000 pizzas were given out for free to customers in Ohio and Kentucky. And coming in at number 7 is in 2013 the first vegan Domino's pizza was created in Israel using soy-based cheese for the gooey topping. And coming in at number 8 is in 2018 Domino's had sold more pizzas and products than any other pizza seller in the world. And coming in at number 9 is every country has a different favorite topping. Squid is the most popular topping in Japan, and France's favorite is fresh cream. And coming in at number 10 is on Tuesday, October 11, 2016, Domino's trialed their first delivery service by canoe along the canal in Luce, England. The trial ran for 2 weeks. And coming in at number 11 is France's 4-cheese pizza consists of Emmental, goat's cheese, blue cheese, and mozzarella, whilst in Spain, a 5-cheese pizza is offered with mozzarella, provolone, cheddar, parmesan, and blue cheese. And coming in at number 12 is in Korea, Domino's offers a potato pizza, which is a pizza with potatoes, mushrooms, bacon, corn, and onions, and it is a top seller. And coming in at number 13 is in 1985, when the first store was opened in Japan, the Japanese language didn't have a word for pepperoni, so Domino's had to create one. And coming in at number 14 is pepperoni pizza is the most ordered topping in the US. And coming in at number 15 is the highest Domino's pizza delivery service in Latin America is in Quito, Ecuador, located 8,000 feet, 2,438 meters, above sea level. And coming in at number 16 is when Domino's first opened in Aruba, they used motorcycles to deliver pizzas, but they were soon forced to move to small trucks due to the strong winds on the island. And coming in at number 17 is in Mexico, the ranchera pizza uses frijoles, beans, instead of tomato sauce. And coming in at number 18 is the menu in Malaysia has both the meatosaurus and the chickensaurus, which are generously topped with extra meat. And coming in at number 19 is have you tried noodles on a pizza? Domino's in Taiwan has a pizza where noodles are freshly cooked, placed on top of the pizza base, and then toppings are added on top. It is called the okonomiyaki pizza. And coming in at number 20 is Domino's goes sweet with its Oreo pizza. Only sold in the US, this sugary delight consists of a thin crust with vanilla icing and cookie crumbles. And coming in at number 21 is the Bologna pizza was created by Domino's in India and consists of macaroni cheese and vegetarian bolognese on top of a pizza crust and smothered in toppings. And coming in at number 22 is the busiest day of the year for Domino's as New Year's Eve, with New Year's Day, Thanksgiving Eve, Halloween, and Super Bowl Sundays being the other busiest days. And coming in at number 23 is on Super Bowl Sundays, around 40% more pizzas are sold than on a normal Sunday. And coming in at number 24 is Werner Lomker as the world's fastest pizza maker, with a record of making 3 large Domino's pizzas in 57 seconds. And coming in at number 25 is in August 2012, Domino's Pizza changed its name to Domino's and created a new logo that removed the blue rectangle and text.